Today I'll be giving the CTOPP2. Clay here is 4 years old, so we will be doing the record booklet for the 4 through 6-year-old. This test includes many subtests, and we'll just do a portion of each of the subtests. The first subtest is elision. This one includes a ceiling that is stopped after the examinee misses 3 in a row. Say toothbrush.
Toothbrush.
Now say toothbrush without saying tooth.
Brush.
That's right. Let's try the next one. Say cowgirl.
Cowgirl.
Now say cowgirl without saying girl.
Cow.
Good job. Now we'll be at subtest number 2, blending words. On this one, you will hear some words in small parts, one part at a time. I want you to listen carefully and then put these parts together to make a whole word. On this one, you would insert the CD into a CD player and they would listen to the words this way. Ready? Let's try one. So at this time, the record would play and the sound that it would make would be cowboy. What word do these sounds make?
Cowboy.
Good job. The next subtest is called sound matching. This one is used with the picture book included in the test. This one also has a ceiling of when 3 times in a row we would discontinue the test if they missed that many. All right. We're going to play a game with words. I will show you pictures to help you remember the words. Look at the first picture. This is a sock. Now look at these 2 pictures. This is a sun and this is a bear. The word sock starts with an S sound. Which of these picture words starts with the S sound like sock, sun or bear?
Sun.
Good job. That's right. Sock and sun start with the same sound S. Alright, now we would move on to subtest 4. This one also includes a ceiling if the child misses 3 in a row. This one also uses the CD that you would play in the CD player, and this test is called memory for digits. So, on this one you will hear some numbers, one after another. After you hear the numbers, I want you to say them in the same order that you heard them. Listen carefully because I can't repeat the numbers. Let's try a couple for practice. So at this point, we would play the CD, pausing after each trial to allow the child to respond. For example, the CD would play 5, 2.
5, 2.
7, 2.
7, 2.
As you continue through the CD, the numbers become more difficult and increase. They get up to 9 digits. Then you would continue to subtest 5, which is non-word repetition. Again, you would use the CD and play it in the CD player for the child to hear. And the ceiling is 3 times in a row. I want you to listen to some made-up words. After you hear each made-up word, I want you to say it exactly as you heard it and as clearly as you can. Even if it's hard to say, give it your best try. Listen carefully because I can't repeat the words, okay?
Okay.
Let's try some. Row.
Row.
Sart.
Sart.
Ballop.
Ballop.
Very good. Now we're at subtest number 6, rapid digit naming. This one you will need a stopwatch and the digit naming pictures in the picture book. You would only discontinue if the child is unable to do the task. All right. What numbers do you see on this page?
4, 8, 7, 2, 5, 3.
Good job. Let's try it. When I tell you to start, you will begin. Before you go on to the next row, just name the numbers in each row as fast as you can until you come to the end. Try not to skip any numbers. Do you understand?
Yep.
Okay. Ready? Begin.
2, 7, 4, 5, 3, 8, 4, 2, 5. 8, 3, 7, 2, 8, 4357. 482753528. 347 325
Good job. Now we will do subtest number 7, which is rapid letter naming. Again, you will need a stopwatch and the letter naming pictures in the book. You will discontinue this task if the child is not able to continue with the task. So, he would show the practice page. What letters do you see on this page?
ATSKCN.
Good job. You will be saying the names of some of the letters as fast as you can. Let's try it. When I tell you to start, you will begin and you will name this row. Do you understand? You will begin as soon as I uncover the page. Ready? Begin.
STNAKCTSC. KANCKTANS. TKCSNATCN. KASNCKSTA.
Good job. You'll discontinue this task if the child is unable to do it. What colors do you see on this page?
Black, green, blue, red, brown, yellow.
Good. You will be saying the names of some colors as fast as you can. Let's try it. When I tell you to start, you will begin here before you can go on to the next row. Just name the colors in each row as fast as you can until you come to the end. Try not to skip any colors. Do you understand?
Yep.
You will begin as soon as I uncover the page. Ready? Begin.
Blue, red, green, black, brown, yellow, red, black, blue. Yellow, green, brown, blue, red, green, black, yellow, brown. Green, yellow, black, red, brown, blue, green, red, blue. Black, brown, yellow, brown, green, red, yellow, blue, black.
Good job. Now we would move on to subtest number 9, which is rapid object naming. Again, you'll need the stopwatch and the objects in the book. You would discontinue the task if the child is unable to complete the task. Let's practice. What objects do you see on this page?
Boat, star, pencil, chair, fish, key.
Good. You will be saying the names of some objects as fast as you can. Let's try it. When I tell you to start, you will begin here. Before you go on to the next row, just name the pictures just name the objects in each row as fast as you can until you come to the end. Try not to skip any objects. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's begin.
Pencil, star, fish, chair, boat, key, star, pencil, key. Fish, boat, chair, key, chair, star, boat, fish, pencil. Star, chair, key, pencil, fish, boat, star, key, fish. Chair, boat, pencil, fish, key, chair, pencil, star, boat.
Good job. All right. Now you will begin with subtest 10, which is blending non-words. Again, this one would include the CD that you would play on the CD player, and you would stop after missed 3 times in a row. So, for example, you would listen to the CD. You will hear some made-up words in small parts. You will hear them one part at a time. I want you to listen carefully, and then put these parts together to make a made-up word. Ready? Let's try one.
Okay.
So, the computer or the CD player would say, Nim-by.
Nimby.
Good job. That completes the CTOPP for ages 4 through 6. In the next video, we will show you the ages 7 through 24. Clay here is 15 years old. He will be doing the CTOPP. Some of the tests are similar to the CTOPP for ages 4 through 6, but some of them do differ. Subtest number 1, elision. You'll stop after the examinee misses 3 items in a row. Say toothbrush.
Toothbrush.
Now say toothbrush without saying tooth.
Brush.
Good. Subtest 2, blending words. Again, you'll use the computer and play the CD. Alright, on this one you will hear some words in small parts, one part at a time. I want you to listen carefully and then put these parts together to make a whole word. Ready? Let's try one. Cow, boy.
Cowboy.
That's right. This test is different from ages 4 through 6. Subtest 3 is phoneme isolation. You'll stop if the child misses 3 items in a row. Now we're going to do a word game where I'll ask you to say parts of words. The word man has 3 sounds. M, E, N. What is the first sound?
M.
That's right. The first sound in man is M. The word cat also has 3 sounds. K, A, T. What is the first sound in the word cat?
K.
Good. The word fish has 3 sounds. F, I, sh. What is the last sound, the one at the end, in the word fish?
Sh.
Good job. Now we'd move on to subtest number 4, memory for digits. Again, you will use the computer or the CD player to play the disc. On this one, you will hear some words one after another. After you hear the numbers, I want you to say them in the same order that you heard them. Listen carefully because I cannot repeat the numbers. Let's try a couple for practice. 5, 2.
5, 2.
All right. Then you would continue on to higher digits. Now we'd move on to subtest 5, non-word repetition. I want you to listen to some made-up words. After you hear each made-up word, I want you to say it exactly as you heard it and as clearly as you can. Even if it's hard to say, give it your best try. Listen carefully because I can't repeat the words. Okay? Let's try some. Now we would start the CD. An example from the CD would be rail,
Rail.
sart.
Sart.
Good job. Now we do subtest number 6, rapid digit naming. This one again is similar and you would need a stopwatch. Let's practice.
487 253.
Good job. Now he would go to the next page and I would cover up the numbers and he would say them.
274 538 425.
Good job. Now we would move on to subtest number 7, rapid letter naming. Again, you need a stopwatch and you would discontinue if the child is unable to do the task. What do you see on this page?
ATS KCN.
Good job. Let's try it. When I tell you to start, you're going to begin here. Are you ready?
Yep. STNAKC TSC.
Very good. You would continue on with that. Next is subtest 8, blending non-words. Again, you would use the CD device. All right. Listen to the CD. You will hear some made-up words in small parts, one part at a time. I want you to listen carefully and then put these words together to make a made-up word. Ready?
Yep.
Let's try one. So now the disc would play. An example could be NIMB.
NIMB.
That's right. Now we are going to go to subtest 9. This one is a little different from ages 4 through 6. It's segmenting non-words. Now I'm going to say a made-up word. First, I want you to repeat the made-up word, then say it one sound at a time. Say each sound that you hear in the order you heard it. For example, if you hear ma, as in mat, you would first repeat the word ma, then say it one sound at a time. Ma. You try it.
Ma. Ma.
Good. Now say ma one sound at a time.
Ma.
Good job. Let's try another. Say ip.
Ip.
Now say ip one sound at a time.
I.
Good job. And that completes the CTOPP2 for ages 7 through 24.